that leads to regret. These simple habits gradually transform the soul and create a deep sense of contentment that no worldly possession can provide. As we come to the end of this reminder, remember that mastering anger is not about becoming a person who never feels emotion. It is about becoming a believer whose emotions are guided by faith rather than controlled by impulse. The path to inner peace begins the moment we choose Allah over our ego, patience over rage, forgiveness over resentment, and trust over fear. Every small step taken for His sake brings us closer to a heart filled with tranquility, a life filled with blessings, and a hereafter filled with His mercy. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those who control their anger, forgive others, trust completely in Him, and enter paradise with hearts that are peaceful and content. Ameen.